ファイトお Okay, Geek Fit Squad, let's get ready for a 7-minute better posture workout. This is for beginners and is pretty easy. Don't really need any equipment other than a mat. I've had a lot of back problems in the past, so hopefully I'll be able to slowly correct my poor posture over time. So let's get started. We'll be doing intervals of 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Just listen for the timer and get ready. The first move is shoulder rolls going forward. Easy and nice way to warm up the upper body. Good job, we're just getting started. Chest openers. Really focus on your form and squeeze those shoulder blades together when you open your arms. You can do this. Next up, shoulder rolls again, but this time backwards. Really engage all your shoulder muscles and go slow. We're already more than halfway through the workout. Keep pushing. You're doing awesome. Shoulder blade squeezes. Don't just go through the motions. Really squeeze that back. You're doing great. Keep it up. Half cobra push-ups. Oh boy, I really have to work on my flexibility. My upper back is so stiff. Make sure your elbows are close to your body when doing this. You got this. Opposite arm and leg. Oops, I hit my chair. Each time you raise your arm and leg, try to keep everything parallel and controlled. Keep it up. We're almost near the end. Last exercise, swimmer. Pretend like you're paddling through the water. You're killing it. Don't quit on me now. Oh man, my upper body is really struggling. Only 10 more seconds. Let's finish strong. What? Great job, everyone. You did awesome. If you like this workout and want to see more, please be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Leave a comment below letting me know what other types of workouts you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys next time.